So this is the version of the Wolverine that I've been making modifications to. You'll notice the film guides here on this particular model are kind of like studs, a little skinny in the middle there. And otherwise it's a pretty stock design. Well, just yesterday I got in this defective one that I got pretty cheap off the internet. They advertised it as having a broken display, and you can see it is broken, pretty useless. It is turned on and everything. So I decided to get a separate monitor display. This is a 14-inch TV, and they had it on sale at Walmart for just $70, which was amazing. And it has a TV tuner, it's got audio video input, output, HDMI, cable, channel tuner. The only thing I have to do is plug in the AV cable in the back. And up comes the same framing. And what I really like about having this big monitor, you can really, number one, you can see a lot more dust on the screen than you can if you just look on the small monitor. And then it's you get a lot more precise too when you're kind of framing the picture using the frame adjust function. So I'm going to enjoy trying this out. Everything seems to look good. As I was mentioning, the one thing I noticed is these film guides on this particular Wolverine are a lot fatter. I don't know if that's necessarily a good thing or a bad thing. But and the ones that are below have a little bit different sleeve on them than the ones on top. I'm not sure why that is either. Maybe we'll figure out as I get to use it. Alright, let's start it up. Looking good so far. Not bad for $110. Thanks for watching.